This video will demonstrate how to use the developer's version of the Hearts of Iron Cold War Iron Curtain mod. The easiest way to do this is using the GitHub desktop client. Go to desktop.github.com and download the client. Once the client is installed, we need to clone the remote GitHub repository. Click Clone a repository, then switch to the URL tab. We need to enter the URL of the repository. I've put the URL in the description of this video. Copy and paste the URL, then we will select the local destination. Click the Choose button and navigate to Documents, Paradox Interactive, Hearts of Iron 4, and then Mod. Now press Select Folder. Now we can clone the repository. This will take a little while, as it downloads the contents of the mod. In the meantime, we can continue with the other part of the installation. Open Hearts of Iron and select the Mods tab. We're going to create a new local mod. Select Mod Tools and then Create Mod. You can give it any name you want. I'm going to name it Cold War Iron Curtain - Testing so that I can distinguish between it and the Steam version. In the directory field, enter a temporary value like test. We're going to have to change this in a moment. Finally, we have to select a mod tag. It does not matter what you select. I'll just pick National Focuses. Now press Create Mod and close the game. Let's check in on the download progress. Okay, now I need to finish configuring the local mod we just created. Go back to the Hearts of Iron mod folder. That's Documents, Paradox Interactive, Hearts of Iron 4, and then Mod. Notice that we now have a new folder and document. These are for the mod we just set up. The test directory is the temporary folder we used when creating the mod. We need to delete it and switch to the Cold War Iron Curtain directory. Now let's rename the new mod file. This file contains the properties for the mod, such as where the contents are located. The name you choose does not matter, but to make it easily identifiable, I'm going to name it Cold War Iron Curtain Testing. Make sure it still has .mod appended at the end. Now open the file with your preferred text editor. I'm going to use Sublime Text. We need to change the path attribute to the directory we're downloading from GitHub. The path will be mod/cold-war-iron-curtain/cold-war-iron-curtain/. Make sure you include the slashes, dashes, and spaces. You can pause the video if you need a closer look. Now save the document. All we have to do now is wait for the download to finish. I've skipped ahead a few minutes so we can take a look at the result. When new changes are published to the repository, you can download them by pressing the Fetch and Pull button near the top. Now you'll notice the new mod directory has the contents of the mod. These have the same structure as the Steam version, but include the pre-release development changes. Please note that the developer's version will often have many bugs and glitches that will be fixed before being released to Steam. Now you can open Hearts of Iron again. Notice we have two versions of the Cold War mod. You can now switch between them at any time, but make sure you don't use both simultaneously.